1 Ivar Avenue. This house is asking for $800,000. Right now it's only 2:10 p.m. We just opened the door at 2 o'clock, but we already have hundreds of buyers coming in. So sellers, we still have over 52,000 cash buyers in our database. Call us 626-789-0159 how we can net you more money in a very short time. But all we don't do open houses. We just take 15 minutes of your time to bring in qualified cash buyers to come to your home. After they see the home, they will just be making an offer. What's better than one offer? Multiple offers. So what we promise you, we're going to bring multiple offers to your home with no hassle.
Or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila, anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat. Just say the words and we can go. We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time.
So this is my first time for the tour and it's overwhelming, so I'm glad I came because I was put it in action immediately because it's so many people. I mean, we didn't even reach 2 p.m. and I think it was like 5 families coming in. So this is a great way obviously to sell a home. I see Molly and Marie already putting in an offer or writing an offer basically. So yeah.
Alright, I've been on a tour of homes before, but this is my first tour of home that has this many people in it. Just like what you said, it's just overwhelming, and it was a bit hard to keep track of my clients because so many people were asking questions. But yeah, it's good. It just kept me on my feet the whole time.
So if you're interested, please call the number on the screen.
This is my first big home. It's amazing because it's just so busy. I've never been to an open house that have a lot of traffic like this one. So let's go.
We have about 100 people show up today. I already put in an offer for one, so hopefully got accepted, man.
Michelle Leonardi with your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. This is my VIP seller, Maria.
Hello.
Owner of this beautiful property here in Ivar Ave, Rosemead. And today we just had like supposed to be only 15 minutes of showing, but because like over 200 buyers coming in, it's over 2 hours. And she was watching all the way there, like seeing all these people coming in. Because what we do differently, Maria, is we don't do regular open houses. We already collected all these buyers before we even met, so they all come today to actually submit offers.
It's a lot better this way because otherwise you don't know who's coming in, and this way you people were all here watching and making sure that everybody got your name and you got their names.
Right.
It's very good. And yeah, but I'm selling because I would like to go to live in Oregon with my granddaughter, my one and only granddaughter.
And in just like less time, we received multiple offers, more than what we expected.
Wonderful.
We're gonna close according to her time. Maria wants to stay here at least a month or 3 months, so that way she can move her stuff. She can take her time to move to Oregon. So
Wait for the snow to melt.
Yep, because right now it's winter there.
Yeah.
Anything else that you like to share?
No, so far I've been very happy with you people trying to sell the house.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.